Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to get some slime. Here it is. But it's not here. It's the first thing. Sorry, my hair is a mess. So that's just my bun. That's just my... Just kidding. So my bun. So... go get my slime out of my door. You're not gonna hear my door because my door is like such a quiet door. Oh, my mom bought my packaging. It's just laying right on the floor. So I just got my slime. It looks really big. It's supposed to be a pink slime. Oh, okay, guys. So tell me, comment down below if it's pink or not. I'm so excited. Why is it this color? You guys, it's so cold. Oh, but it's glitter in it. Glitter makes things perfect. So, I love consistency. It's such a nice consistency. It's gonna be a short video. Bye guys. Do a next video.